Welcome to Review Rumble. The best clothes drying rack small is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in maintaining a tidy and efficient living space, especially for those with limited room or a need for quick, convenient laundry solutions. This compact marvel is designed to maximize drying space without dominating your home, offering a practical way to air dry clothes, delicates, or even just to hang freshly ironed garments, ensuring they remain crisp and ready to wear. Its clever design often incorporates features that make it easy to set up, fold away, and store, proving that even the smallest home can benefit from a smart laundry accessory that blends functionality with space-saving ingenuity. Number 5. Amazon Basics Foldable Clothes Drying Rack. Introducing the Amazon Basics Foldable Clothes Drying Rack. It's designed for convenient indoor air drying, helping your clothes last longer. Save energy and be gentle on your garments with this rack. It's perfect for indoor use, ensuring your clothes are cared for. Crafted from durable, lightweight steel with a protective white finish. This ensures it resists rust and mildew for long-lasting use. Its accordion-style design folds flat effortlessly. This makes it easy to carry and store compactly when not in use. Despite its lightweight construction, it can support up to 32 pounds. You can rely on it for all your drying needs. What we like? This option offers a durable yet lightweight steel frame with a rust-resistant finish. Its accordion-style design folds flat for easy storage and transport. If you are looking for a simple, reliable rack for indoor use that won't take up much space, this is a great choice. What people say. The rack is very sturdy and holds a good amount of clothes. It's easy to set up and fold away when not in use. The compact size is perfect for small apartments or dorm rooms. Number 4. Honey Can Do Heavy-Duty Foldable Laundry Drying Rack. This collapsible clothing rack is built with a strong metal frame. It can hold wet clothes, towels, and shoes without bending, ensuring it's a reliable solution for your daily laundry needs. When not in use, it easily folds flat for convenient storage. This makes it perfect for smaller living spaces like apartments and dorm rooms. It's designed to handle more than just clothes. With dedicated bars, you can also air dry delicates, sweaters, and even sneakers. This rack offers ample hanging space with its expandable design. It's a practical alternative to electric dryers and folds down neatly when you're done. Its lightweight, durable, and rust-resistant construction makes it ideal for any location. Use it in your laundry room, on the balcony, or even outside. Forget about complicated setups. This drying rack arrives fully assembled and ready to go, making laundry drying quick and hassle-free. What we like? This rack is built with a heavy-duty metal frame, capable of holding significant weight, and even features dedicated bars for drying shoes. Its expandable gull-wing structure provides ample drying space, and it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you need a versatile and robust drying solution that can handle a variety of items, including footwear, and you appreciate the convenience of no assembly required, this is the one for you. What people say. It's incredibly sturdy when the bottom legs are spread out correctly. The other day I put a bundle of heavy wet denim on one of the ends while I hung them. There was nothing on the other end, and it didn't tip even a bit. It has a small enough footprint to be able to use it on my balcony, and then I can fold it up and store it next to my machine. It is so practical, and I can hang so many garments on this in between using hangers and the poles on it. I've also used the flat area underneath for pillows and delicate sweaters. Number 3. Honey Can Do Collapsible Steel Drying Rack. Introducing a revolutionary way to dry your clothes. This rack is designed to save you space, whether you're drying indoors or outdoors. It's the perfect solution for efficient, line drying. Need to save space? This dryer folds down easily for compact storage. It's ideal for apartments, small living areas, or even for drying on the go. Save energy and protect your clothes by drying them naturally. This method not only reduces your electricity bill but also helps extend the life of your garments. Don't let its compact footprint fool you. This drying rack offers ample space for all your laundry needs, measuring 35.5 L x 14.2 W x 45.5 H. Built to last, this drying rack is constructed from high-quality steel. It's sturdy enough to hold up to 50 pounds of clothing, ensuring reliable use for years to come. Assembly is straightforward, ensuring proper folding and use. Simply install the left and right sides correctly, and you'll have a reliable laundry drying solution. What we like. This drying rack is designed to maximize your line drying space while maintaining a compact footprint, supporting up to 50 pounds of clothing. It's collapsible and portable, making it ideal for smaller living spaces. If you need an efficient drying solution that offers substantial capacity without taking up a lot of room, and you don't mind a simple assembly process, this sturdy steel option is a practical choice. What people say. This drying rack is surprisingly sturdy and holds a good amount of laundry. The foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use. It's perfect for small spaces like apartments or dorm rooms. Number 2. GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline. Introducing the GorillaLine Retractable Clothesline, your ultimate solution for indoor and outdoor drying needs. This heavy-duty laundry line is designed for convenience and durability. Setting up is a breeze. It installs in minutes with all the necessary hardware included, perfect for your laundry room, balcony, or even your RV. Reclaim your space. With a simple one-touch retraction, it keeps small areas tidy, making it ideal for apartments, bathrooms, and RVs. Need more drying space? It extends up to 14.1 feet, easily accommodating towels, linens, delicates, and baby clothes. Cut down on energy bills by air drying your laundry. It's an eco-friendly way to dry clothes while also protecting your fabrics. This wall-mounted line is perfect for all your drying needs, from wet towels and bed sheets to cloth diapers and gym clothes, both inside and out. Its sleek stainless steel housing complements any decor, and it retracts instantly for a clean, minimalist look when not in use. What we like. This product offers a retractable clothesline that extends up to 14.1 feet, providing ample drying space while retracting instantly to hide away for a clean, minimalist look. It's wall-mounted and easy to install, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments, bathrooms, or RVs. If you prioritize a tidy appearance and need a flexible drying solution that disappears when not in use, this is an excellent space-saving option. What people say. The clothesline is well made and feels sturdy once installed. It holds a surprising amount of weight and works exactly as intended. Installation is straightforward, but it's important to follow the instructions carefully to make sure everything is secure. Once mounted properly, it functions smoothly and feels reliable. The length it stretches to is decent, well longer than I had anticipated. It is strong, durable, quality parts and components. It is perfect. My dehumidifier sits right under the line and dries the clothing in minutes. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Folding Sweater Dryer. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Folding Sweater Dryer. Its generous mesh surface ensures your sweaters and delicates dry quickly and efficiently. Designed to keep your garments in perfect condition, this dryer prevents stretching, shape loss, and creasing. The offset legs allow it to fit conveniently on countertops or washing machines, maximizing your space. When not in use, it folds in half with its legs folding inward, making for flat, compact storage. It's the perfect solution for drying sweaters and other delicate items that require special care. This dryer offers a practical and durable way to care for your favorite clothing items. What we like. This dryer features a generous mesh surface designed for fast drying, making it ideal for sweaters and other delicate items that need to maintain their shape. Its legs fold in, and the dryer itself folds in half for flat, compact storage. If you frequently wash delicate garments like sweaters and need a specialized drying solution that prevents stretching and creasing, this is the perfect product for you. What people say. I love that you can use one, or stack as many as you need. It's also nice that you can lay out a sweater, then stack the next layer. They fold small enough to tuck away and keep out of sight. Well-made drying rack. Easy to assemble, love the stacking ability and folds up for easy storage. Perfect size for drying sweaters. It is quick and easy to assemble and to break them down for storage. They're very lightweight. I love that I can stack them because it takes up so much less space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.